Beneath my flight, you define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. A big good evening, children. See, I got two rabbits. Two rabbits. These are this. These are rabbits. I got two, right? If I have only one, I'll say this is a rabbit. I have got two, I'll say these. See, the rabbits have come to say good evening to you. Good evening, friends. I'm going to go and sit in the class and listen what you're doing. He's going to go and sit down. Okay?
Ma'am, it's like Aravakshat.
Huh?
It's like Aravakshat.
Oh, certain, yes. They are twins. Aravakshat, yes. Okay, we'll start with our attendance. Adya.
Here I am, ma'am.
Arav.
Here I am, ma'am.
Akshat.
Here I am, ma'am.
Arjun.
Here I am.
Dayanand. Dayanand. Sorry, Dayana. I think the problem is with the network, I believe. Okay, then, no problem. Gautam.
Here I am.
Dhrutvik.
Here I am.
Rekha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Kaushik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Pavan. Pavan.
Here I am.
Kaushik. Good evening, Kaushik.
Good evening,
What
ma'am.
happened to you? Yeah, how are you?
I am fine.
You're fine. Good. Okay, Kumara Guruparan. No, I think he didn't join. Lakshita ji.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Lakshraj. Lakshraj. Okay, no. Lisha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Ekshita S.
Ma'am.
Satvik.
Here I am.
Very good. Roshan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Hassan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Ryan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, good evening, Ryan. No problem, Ryan. Okay, Sai Charan.
Here I am.
Izan.
என்னம்மா பாப் மாதிரி வந்துச்சு
Izan, no. Okay. Shiva.
Here I am.
Yeah, Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Yuvan Sai. Has Yuvan Sai joined? No. Okay, Varnika.
Here.
Very good. Okay, we are done with our attendance. So quickly, what we'll do a warm-up exercise. Ready, children? For the warm-up. Okay, we are going to do the freeze exercise. Okay. So when ma'am says any action, you're going to do, and when ma'am says freeze, you're going to freeze. Okay, ready? Stand up then. Very good. Sachiran got ready once I said ready. Yeah, please stand up. Okay, when I say run, you can run in the same place. If you have enough space in the place where you are sitting, you can run around slowly, but slowly and carefully. Okay, if you don't have place, no problem, run in the same place. Ready, children? Okay, ready, get, set, good, Grithvik. Go. Okay, we're going to start. Walk, Walk. No, I didn't say run. I said walk. Walk is walking. Walking. Walk fast. Walk fast. You need not go and run. You can go in a straight line also. Walk fast. Walk, walk, walk fast. Yes. Okay, stop. Freeze. Okay. Jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Freeze. We jumped only 4 times. One more time. Jump. Jump. Freeze. Okay. Now sit. 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 Stand. Stand, 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 children. Very good. Okay. Run. Jog or run. Whatever you have space depending on that. Jog or run slowly. Freeze. Freeze. Good, Roshan. Jog. Jog, 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 jog. Jog, jog, jog. Slowly jog, jog. Freeze. Okay. Thank you, children. Come to your place. I think Lakshraj has joined. Hi, Lakshraj. Good evening. Welcome. Come to your place.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Lakshraj. Yeah. Come to your place, children. Come back to your place. Okay. So now, what we'll do, we'll sing the rhyme. Okay. What rhyme we'll sing? We'll start with fly, fly, butterfly, and then we'll sing the rest of the rhyme. Ready, children? Today I want who else I want? Okay, I want Lisha to sing fly, fly, butterfly with me. Lisha? Lisha, I think she went off. She came back. Okay, Lisha, if you are able to, can you unmute and sing fly, fly, butterfly with me? Ready, Lisha?
Sing.
Come on.
Ready, ma'am.
Yes, come on, Lisha. Loud and clear. Yes. Fly, fly.
Fly, fly, butterfly.
In the garden, fly
away.
over all.
Overall, pretty fly. Fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good. Good. Super, super. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dayanand. Hi, Dayanand. Dayanand. Yeah, Dayanand. Can you stay on mute, Dayanand? I'll call your name, okay? I marked attendance for you, no problem. Stay on mute. Thank you. Okay, Grithvik, can you sing Fly, Fly, Butterfly loud and clear? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over all pretty flowers, fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good. That's very nice. Very good. Varnika, can you sing Fly, Fly, Butterfly?
Thank you, ma'am.
Varnika.
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over the pretty fly, 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 butterfly.
Good, Varnika. Very good. Super. Okay. Arjun, can you sing Fly, Fly,
Thank you.
Butterfly? Arjun.
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over pretty fly, 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 butterfly.
Very good, Arjun. Super. Kaushik, can you sing Fly, Fly, Butterfly?
Fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away,
Over all.
all the pretty flowers, fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good. Mahastin, can you sing for me?
Thank you, ma'am. Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over the pretty flowers, fly, fly, butterfly.
Very nice, Mahastin. The butter is flapping the wings. Very good. Nice. Okay. Shravan, can you sing Fly, Fly, Butterfly?
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over little flower, fly, fly, butterfly.
Perfect. Very good. Okay. Kumara Guruban joined us. Kumara Guruparan, welcome. Kumara Gurupan, good evening. Okay. Kumara Gurupan, can you please unmute and sing Fly, Fly, Butterfly? Fly, Fly, Butterfly? Hmm. Very good. Super, Kumara Gurupan. Nice to hear that. Okay. I am going to call Satvik. Yes, Ivan Sai. Welcome, Ivan Sai. Good evening. Satvik.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Good
Satvik, come on.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Satvik, come on. Satvik, sing.
Fly in the garden.
Satvik, just a request. Can you remove your mask? Yeah. Can you sing and wear it? Okay. Loud and clear. Fly from the beginning. Fly, fly. Sing, sing, sing.
Fly, butterfly in the garden, fly away over all pretty flat. Fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good. Super, Satvik. Very sweet voice. Okay. I'm going to call Lekshita. Can you sing Fly, Fly, Butterfly? Lekshita S.
Fly, fly, butterfly in the garden, fly away over pretty, pretty fly. Fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good, children. Thank you so much. So everybody got to know this Fly, Fly, Butterfly. Very good. Nice to see that. Rest of the people who didn't get chance will have will get chance for the next activity. Okay. So please stay on mute. Okay. Now those who have got slate, the kit from the school, please get your slate. If you have chalk piece or whatever you have, please take that. Okay. And those who don't get those who haven't got the kit yet, don't worry. Take your rough note with 4 lines. Okay. Those who don't have your kit, no problem. Please take your rough note. Those who have slate, take your slate. Quickly, we'll write and go for the activity. Everybody are ready for the activity? An eraser and a box. I am ready. Okay, I'll give 1 more minute so that you can grab your slate and chalk piece. If not, please take a rough note and a pencil. No problem. Diana,
Ma'am.
who is that, ma'am? Yes, Nivin Surya, tell me. Oh, you got it? Good. Okay. You got duster, chalk, and a slate. Okay, good. Okay, Dayanand, you got a kit, no? So you have your slate? Okay, no problem. Take a rough note and pencil. Good, Dayanand. Ready? Let's start. Okay, first we are going to write cursive A. Cursive A. Those who know to write and show me. Those who know to write cursive A, write and show me. Let me see how many of you know. Those who don't know, look at ma'am and write. Okay, I'm going to write cursive A. Okay, capital A. Sai Charan. Okay. Dayan, can you please stay on mute, Dayanand? If you want any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, please stay on mute. Okay, so we are going to write cursive capital A first. Okay. First, we want to write yes, Kritik, good. Yes, Lisha, good. First, we are going to write A. Okay, and then we'll go to the next. Yes, Lakshra, good. Okay, ma'am is going to write. Those who don't know, please look at ma'am and write. Okay, and others who know, tell me if ma'am is writing right or not. Okay, I'm going to start from this blue line. Go up, touch the red line, slanting line. Again, a down slanting line. And then a small curve like this. Lekshita, are you writing, Lekshita? Lekshita, S. Dayanand, please help me. Dayanand, can you stay on mute? Thank you so much. Because my voice is echoing to me, I'm not able to speak clearly. That's why. Yes, very good, Varnika. Okay, I'm going to see Lekshita S. Lekshita S, have you written A in your rough note or slate, whatever you have? Show me what you have written. Lekshita, we cannot see you. Can you show me? You wrote A. Good, very good. But okay, good. Okay. Now we are going to write capital B. Cursive capital B. Okay, very good, Satvik. Okay, how do you write capital B? From red line to blue line, 1. Backward bend like this, small curve, go up and then write 3. Cursive capital B. B, ball, basket, biscuit. Good, Grithvik. Even Sai, you're writing? Why are you angry? Don't be angry. You're a good boy. Kumaragupna, are you writing? Show me, Kumaragurupran. Okay, very good. Superb. Good job, Kumaragurupran. Wonderful. Yes,
Thank you.
good, Steven. Good, Varnika. Good, Lakshraj. Good, Lisha. Let me see others and come. Wait. Good, Adya. Gopinath, Dayanand, can you show me? Can you show me your notebook? Very good, Dayanand. Superb. Okay, I saw Lisha. I already saw about Kaushik. Kaushik, can you show me Kaushik? Good, Kaushik. Very good. Looks perfect. Arjun, can you show me Arjun? Nice, Arjun. You went till E. Kavin, can you show me? Kavin, can you show me till what you have written so far? Okay, your sister is helping you out there. Okay. Good. Okay, Shiva. Good, Shiva. Good. Okay. Gautam. You're tracing? Trace slowly, okay? I'll come and check. Very good, Gautam. Good. I saw Kumara Gurban. Ryan, you keep... Hey, Ryan, your video is on, Ryan. Can you show me? Good, Ryan. Looks perfect. Good. Okay. Roshan, come on. Can you show me, Roshan? Okay. Nivin Surya, come on. Perfect, Nivin Surya. Good. Shravan, can you show me? Good, Shravan. You wrote till E. Okay, good. Yes, Jay Krish. Good, Jay Krish. Nice to see that. Very good. Yeah, Lakshita. What out you have, Lakshita? Yes, tell me. Yeah, very good. You wrote B. Now, come on. We'll write C. Okay? Come on, Mahaswin. Show me, Mahaswin. Okay, you're writing both capital and small. Okay. So I'm going to write C now. How do you write C? From slanting line, go up, touch the red line, and then C. Now I'm going to write D. How do you write D? Like B. 1, backward bend, go up. Is this the way you should write? No. Like this. Go up, close this. D. Check if ma'am is writing it right. Now ma'am is going to write E. Look carefully and tell me ma'am is writing E correctly or not. Has ma'am written E correctly? I'm going to ask. Arav Akshad, I didn't see yours. Have I written it right? E? No. Yeah, ma'am didn't write nicely. She wrote wrong E. She wrote 3. So we, yes, good. I'm going to write E now. You're going to tell me Arav Akshad if I'm writing it right or not. Okay? Is this correct?
Yes,
Now it's correct. Okay. Now I'm going to write. Now I'm going to write F. Okay? Is this correct?
No.
Is this correct?
No.
No. What mistake I did? What mistake I did?
Sleeping line.
Yeah, I left the sleeping line. Now it's correct. Little bit down. I made a mistake. Little bit down. Okay, I'll rub and write again. Show me yours. I look yours and write.
See.
Yeah, you wrote it nice. I made a mistake. Is this correct now?
G.
Yes. Okay. So everybody wrote in here. Okay. Last we are going to write G. We learned G, no? G and H. Okay. So we are going to write G. How do we write G? Slanting line. Like C. Go up. And then bend like this. Remember? G. Very good, Kaushik. I'm seeing yours. Super, Kaushik. Good. G.
Thanks, ma'am.
And how do we write H? 1, 1, and then come on, Mahaswin, finish it. I saw most of you have already written E, so you have to write just F, G, H. We finished that. Yes, good, Arav Akshad. I saw yours. You have your own slate in Tanjavur also. Okay. Okay. Don't keep your mouth on the slate. Dan? Yes, Lekshita, tell me. Okay, good. G is, I think G is not right, Lekshita. Others all is okay. G is not right. How do you write G? See? Slanting line. Go up and then like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Then like this. G.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
I'm teaching you. That's what I'm telling you. Look here. I'll teach you. Look here. Okay. See.
Okay, ma'am.
See, first slanting line. Right slanting line. Like ma'am. Wrote. Then backward like this. C. Like this. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Then go up. Like you. Go up. Little up.
Okay.
And then put 1.
Hmm.
And then bend. Like this. See, first slanting line. Like this. Go up. Put 1. Did you write 1?
Mercy, ma'am.
Then like this.
Mercy, ma'am.
Then wait a minute. I'm just talking to Lekshita. I'll come back to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Understood, Lekshita? Show me till what you have written. Show me till what you have written.
Wait, ma'am. I write it.
No, show me. No, let me see till what you have written. Yes. Put 1. You wrote till here, right? Just put a 1. Just put a standing line. Just put a standing line and then bend.
Ma'am, I put the one.
Okay.
My G. Only bigger
Okay. So yeah, Dayanand, show me Dayanand. I am back. Let me see yours. Good, Dayanand. It looks perfect. Good. Okay. Yeah, Roshan. Good, Roshan. Tell me. Very good, Roshan. You got all the cursive alphabets right. How? That day you found it difficult. Today it's okay? Good, Roshan. Happy. Very happy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Who is that? Lakshita ji. You want to say something? Sure. Okay. Okay. Good. Good, Lakshita. Okay, Jai Krish. Good, Jai Krish. You finished small letters too. Good. Yes, Lakshraj, good. Aravakshat, good. Grithik, good and good. Please don't unmute. You can just show me. I'm watching everybody. Please don't unmute, children. Yes, Shiva, good. Shravan, good. Yuvansai, good. Wait, let me see. Okay, Yuvansai. Yeah, good. Okay, what about Niveen Surya? Yeah, I'm seeing yours. Good, Niveen Surya. G looks perfect. Yes, good.
Did you see me, ma'am? Five children.
Yeah, just tilt it and just show me like this. The slate. That's what you show me like this. I'll be able to see. I'm not able to see you like this. Ah, yes. Okay. Good luck. Good, good. Yeah, I saw that. Good, Sacharan. It looks perfect. I saw yours. Okay. What about Mahaswin? Ryan? Kumara Guruparan? Ryan finished? Till what you have finished, show me. Till what you have written, show me. Good. Okay. Good, Ryan. Okay. Kumara Guruparan, till what you have written, show me. I'm not able to see Kumara Guruparan. Okay. What about Mahaswin? Can you show me Mahaswin? Till what you have written? Okay. Good, Mahaswin. Small. Okay. Small letter. We are going to write small letter now. Okay. So let me grab a paper and rub this. Yes, ma'am. Who is that, ma'am? Aravakshat, very good. You already wrote small letter. Yes. Roshan, you want to say something? If not, can you please? Okay. So okay. Now we are going to write small letter. Okay. So you will have the small letter will be written in the blue line. You will have blue line, right? You will have two blue lines. Okay. You're going to write within this blue line. Okay. Those who have written, good children. Those who have not written, you can write along with me. Okay. Slanting line. Go up. C. Close the C. And then A. Okay. B. Slanting line, go up, come down. B. C. Slanting line, go up, touch the blue line, come down. C. We have already written the worksheet, so I'm just going little fast. If in case anybody finding it difficult, stop me there. Okay. Slanting line, go up, come, C. Close the C, go up, D. And you should also tell me if I'm writing it wrong, okay? E. F. Slanting line, go up, touch the red line, come down. See, how do you write slanting line? Go up, backward bend, mark 1, then come down, bend F. F. Then how do you write G? Slanting line, go up, touch this blue line, come down, C, close the C, 1, G. H. Slanting line, go up, 1, a mountain like this, H.
Stop.
Yeah. Lakshita, where do you find it difficult? Let me know. We'll write together.
I write it first.
Okay. Anybody still writing capital letters, raise your hand. If anybody still has not finished capital letters, raise your hand. No. Okay. So everybody finished capital. Everybody has moved to small letter. Ryan. Okay, Ryan. Right, Ryan. No problem. Right.
Ma'am, I finished the capital and small, ma'am.
Okay, Saichana, I told you, no, if somebody has finished, just check if ma'am is writing. Don't unmute and say, I finished, I finished. Let others write, okay? Kumara Gurban, if you are free, can you switch on your video? And Shravan too. I'm not able to see you, Kumara Gurparan. If you have finished, show me a slate or notebook. I'll just see. You don't have to unmute. I'm seeing everybody. I'm seeing everybody and seeing. Kaushik, good Kaushik. That looks perfect. Yes, Dayanand.
Ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Dayanand.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Kritvik. Saicharan, show me your small letters. You already finished, no? Okay. Good. You can try writing the other side, not this side. Saicharan, turn your slate other side. Turn it like this. Turn your slate like this. Saicharan, I'm talking to you. Turn your slate.
Ma'am, I haven't turned in the slate, ma'am.
Take your slate. Listen to me. Take your slate. Turn the other side. Turn it. Turn it like this. No. Turn it. See, you wrote small. Yes. Okay. You don't. There only you should write English letters. Then only you'll know where is blue line, red line. Okay, Saicharan? You understood what I said? Okay. Yes, good, Nivin Surya. Yes, Kumara Gurbaran. Right. Keep writing. No problem. Okay, who is still right? Yeah, Shiva. Good, Shiva. Once I finish small letters, why are you hitting the table so angrily?
Small letter.
Okay, good, Nivin sorry. Even sorry. Okay, children. So yes, Lekshita has. Okay. So most of you has finished. 2 or 3 people are still writing. We'll give 1 more minute. Others we can practice later. Okay. Those who have not finished, we can practice after the class. We'll write as homework. Okay. Yes. Satvik, you finished, Satvik?
Look, ma'am.
What happened, Satvik?
He didn't finish, so he's
No problem. I told you, no. Those who are writing, you can continue writing. No problem. You take your time. Don't cry for this. Good, Roshan. You can write even after the class is over. You have the slate, you have the chalk piece. Don't worry. Come on, look at me. Satvik. Look at ma'am. Don't cry. Okay? I will write from the beginning. I'm going to rub everything. I'm going to write from the beginning. We'll write together. Okay? Shall we write together? Okay, I'm going to start. Okay? Slanting line. A. I wrote A. Did you write A? Lakshita, you can also write along with Satvik. Lakshita will finish it quickly. Then we'll move on to the activity. Don't cry. Come on. Finished A? We'll write easy ones alone. Okay, we'll write A, C, D alone today. Okay, you wrote A?
I didn't finish.
Finished. Good. We'll write C alone today. Okay, C. Slanting line. Go up, trace on the same line, C. We'll write C now. Finished?
I finished it.
Very good. We'll write D, okay? Same thing. Slanting line, go up, trace on the same line, C. Close the C. Close the circle. Go up, 1. Write this. Still here, write. I'll just give the next instruction. Planting line, C. Close the C. Go up, up, up. And then finish till here, Satvik. Then trace on the same line. Trace on the same line and come down like this. Trace on the same one and then come down and put like this. Okay? Finished?
I like writing the heading. I write in.
Okay. So you practice this 3 alone today. We'll practice F, G tomorrow. Okay? No problem, Satvik. Show me high five, big high five. Give me a big high five. Where you're giving both hands. Okay. Okay, children. So we are done with this. We are moving to the activity. Okay. So are you all ready with the eraser? I got an eraser and a box. Yes. So what we are going to do is, you remember long back, long ago, I taught you about in, out, on. Remember? So first, when I say in, what you should all do? The eraser should go inside the box. Okay, ready? First, get ready with the things for the activity. I'm ready. I'm ready. So let me see who are all ready and who are all not ready. Get any box is fine. Any you don't have eraser also, any small pebbles or something which is small. Yeah. Yes. Ready? So okay.
So one not eraser.
One.
One.
Same with Shiva.
Ma'am, I have a pencil only, ma'am.
You have only pencil. Do you have a box? Yes, Sai Charan?
Yes, ma'am.
You can use a pencil and a box. No problem. That's what I said. You can use anything. Eraser is little small. That's what I said. You can use eraser. If you have pencil, you can use pencil. Okay. I'm also having a marker. I'm going to use this. Okay. So when I say in, what you should all do? Put the eraser inside the box and close it. Now I'm going to say in. In. So put the eraser inside the box. Close it. Close it. Close it. So where is the eraser now? Where is the eraser now? Kamara Kubran, you did that?
In the box.
Yes, the eraser is in the box. Inside. It is in. In. Okay. Everybody did that? In. Kumaragam, did you do? Did you put the eraser in the box? In. Put it inside. Put it inside the box you have. Let me see. Yeah, Arav Akshara has put inside the box. The eraser is in the box now. Inside. Kritvik, have you done? Okay, yeah, it is in the box. What about Yuvan Sai? It is in the box. Okay. Gautam, the eraser is in the box. Okay. So now, in is what? Inside. Lakshara, did you put inside? Yes. Kaushik, good. Okay. Arjun, come on. Take the eraser. Keep it on the box. On. So when you keep something on top of it, it is on. When you keep inside and close it, it is in. In, on. Keep it on. Keep it on the box. See, I've kept it on the box. Are you able to see? On. This is on. Okay. Now, very good, Gurdik. Now I'm keeping the eraser Not on the box. I'm keeping somewhere down. Then it is out. When this one touches the box and it is outside on it, it is on. When I keep somewhere down, it is out. Out. Okay, 3 things we are going to do. Quickly, I'll say, when I say in, you should all keep it inside. When I say on, you should keep it on top. When I say out, you should keep it like this. Shall we do this? Ready? Everybody, show me thumbs up. We're going to start now. Yes. Ready, children? Have the eraser in your hand. Ready? 1, 2. Ready. In. Quick, quick, quick. In. On. On. Out. Sachin, come on, keep the pencil outside the box. Out. Done out. In. In. On. On. Out. Done. On. On. Okay, good, good. Okay, so in, on, out we learned. Okay, now see this eraser or whatever you have, pencil or whatever, if it is not touching it, and here you say above, above, above. Okay, let me pin somebody else and see. Okay, good, Lisha. Yes, Sachin, you got a pencil in box, right? Then share up. Okay, good. Arjun, where is your box and eraser? Yes, Arjun. Hold it. You hold it. Get it from your mom and hold it. Yes. On. On. Okay. Good, Arjun. Okay. What about Mahaswin, Rayan? I'll check back. Yes, Shravan, I saw that. I'll check back them and come here. Yes. Rayan, did you do in, on? Yes. Good. Good. It's on now. Okay. What about, yes, Mahaswin? Good, Mahaswin. Okay. What about Kavin? I saw. Okay. So now, when this eraser is not touching, it is like this. Above. Show me above. Keep the eraser above the box and show me. Not on above your head. Above the box like this. You should not touch it. Above. Keep it down. Below. 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 Yuvan Sai, come on. You don't have to rub it now. Use the eraser and do this activity. Below. Above. Below. Above. Below. 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 I said below. Above. Below. Above. Above. Below. Okay. So quickly we'll do all the 5 things together. In. Okay. You listen. You're not doing now. Wait. In. On. Out. Above. Below. Okay. As soon as you hear the word, what ma'am says, you're going to do. Ready, children? We'll do quickly. Okay. Yes, Grithvik. Come on. Satvik, come on, Satvik. Above. Above. Aravakshit, above. Roshan, did you do above? Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, Aicharan. Good. Below. Out. In. On. Where is it? On. Good. Very good, children. Very good. So understood what is in and on? Yes. You remember internal organs, external organs? Internal. Okay. It is inside. So in, on, above, below, out. Okay. Okay. So now what we'll do is, you can keep the eraser and that down. You can play this later. Okay. Keep it down. Keep it down. Okay. So what we are going to do is, we are going to revise greater than, less than. Okay, because I saw many of you have confusion, still not clear with greater than less than. We'll quickly learn greater than less than and wind up this session today. Okay, children. So what we'll do is I'm going to show you the numbers, okay, and how to identify which is greater and which is smaller. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. You're going to see there, okay?
Ma'am, is it the worksheet?
No, I didn't ask you to take the worksheet. It's not in the worksheet, okay? Okay, so you see here numbers, everybody able to see the screen? 1 to 100. We have numbers from 1, 10, like this till 100, okay? So whenever you have questions, number greater than and less than, you remember the symbol I taught you, the crocodile story. Remember the crocodile story? The crocodile, once it was thinking of
Today.
yeah, the crocodile story, dinosaur or crocodile, whatever you have, you can have it. Okay, remember it wanted to eat a burger. What did it do? It always picked the burgers which is more, which is greater. Okay, and it opened its mouth towards the greater burger. Here also, see, here it is more, here it is less. It opened the mouth wherever the burger is more. When the burgers both are equal, it is in a confusion. See, it is thinking, what will I eat? Both the burgers are equal. What will I eat? Like that, it is thinking. Remember the story? I just want to show you the picture to recall. Everybody recall like this. Think. You remember? I taught you this crocodile. Okay, and I'm going to show you this picture. See, the crocodile in its opening the mouth, this side it is greater than. Open your mouth and say greater than. You see how many fishes are here? Let's count. I'm going to call. Okay, let me check whose name I didn't call for the rhyme. I'll just pick some of you there. Okay, I'm going to call Arjun sang, right? Okay, I'm going to call Gautam. Others, please stay on mute. Gautam alone, please unmute. Okay, Gautam. You're going to count with me, Gautam. Okay, you see fishes here? Blue fishes. Count with me. 1. How do you count? Always remember when you count, put a tick mark like this and count. 1. Gautam, I can't hear you. 1. 2. Are you there, Gautam? You don't want to do this? No? Yes? Come on. Oh, unmute and talk. Unmute and say along with me. Unmute. Is your mother there around? Can she help you to unmute? Okay, I think Gautam is not unmuting. I'm going to go to Dayanand. Dayanand, come Dayanand. Let's count together. 1.
Yeah. 1,
2.
2,
3. 4. 5.
5,
6.
6.
How many fishes are here? 6. How many fishes are here? Count. You count and tell me. 1.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Who is that? 6. Here it's only 3, right? Others, please stay on mute. Dayan, except Dayanand. Okay, Gautam, you have unmuted. We'll do the next one. Okay. Okay, 3 fishes are here, right? Which is more, Dayanand? 6 or 3? Which is more? Greater.
6.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 3 comes first. Only after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number which comes after, always remember that. Count and see. Whenever you have like questions like this, count and see. 6 is coming here. 3 is already here. So 3 comes before 6. So whichever number comes after, that number is greater. So 6 is greater. So check Dayanand, am I doing the correct crocodile mouth? Is this the correct crocodile mouth? Open. Yes, the crocodile always open the mouth towards a greater number. Yes, thank you. Now, Gautam, back to you, Gautam. Let's count together, Gautam. Count how many honeybee is there? How many is there?
Oh,
Then can you stay on mute? I'm talking to Gautam. Sai
okay,
Charan, can you
ma'am.
please stay on mute, Sai Charan?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, here network problem. That is why it is not able. We are not able to hear it properly.
Okay, now is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. It is okay right now.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Gautam, count how many honeybees here?
One.
Only one, right? So I'm going to write one here. How many ladybugs are there? One, two,
Two.
three,
Three.
four. How many ladybugs are there? Four. So which is greater? One, two, three, four. Four comes after one. So which is greater?
Four. One
One mark. Four. Very good. Very good. Yes. Kumaraguruparan, you're going to count with me, Kumaraguruparan. Please unmute. Others stay on mute. Yes, Kumaraguruparan. Let's count. Come on. One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five.
five.
How many birds are there?
How many birds? Five.
Five. Okay, very good. I'm going to write five here. I don't have a space. I'll write it here. Okay, count how many bluebirds are there. How many bluebirds are there? One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five.
five.
How many bluebirds?
Five.
Five. Which is greater? Five. Which is greater?
Five. Six.
Very good. Both are equal. So we have to put equal to sign. Okay. Understood. Thank you, Kumaraguruparan.
Ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to open. I'm going to ask somebody. Okay. I'm going to ask Adya. Come on, Adya. Tell me. I have 23 here. Okay. And I have 56 here. Which is greater?
56.
Yes, 56 is greater. So I will put crocodile mouth like this.
No.
No. 56 is greater. The crocodile will open the mouth this side. Correct?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to call.
Thank you.
Okay. Kavin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I have 59 here. I have 60 here. Which is greater, Kavin? Which comes first? Which comes after? 59 comes first or 60 comes first?
60.
Yeah. 58, 59. Count from 50. 50,
50.
51,
51.
52,
52.
53,
53.
54,
54.
55,
55.
56,
56.
57,
57.
58,
58.
59,
59.
and then 60. So 60 comes after 59. So the crocodile will open the mouth this way. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to call and then 42. Let me find out who is there. Okay, Sai Charan is going to help me. Come on, Sai Charan, unmute and help me, Sai Charan. Which is greater, Sai Charan?
43.
Why 43 is greater?
Because that's the bigger number.
Yes, 43 comes after 42. So is it correct? The crocodile is opened the mouth towards 43.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to call Lakshita Ji. Please unmute. What are the numbers here?
What is the number?
2 0. 2 0 is what? 2 0.
20. What is 20?
2
You-
0.
20 is what? Think and tell me what is 20? 20, 20.
30.
What is 19?
1 9. 1 9 19.
Very good. So
19.
count from count from 15. 15,
15.
16, 17,
17.
18,
18.
19. After 19. Yes, 20. So 20 comes after 19. So 20 is greater. Okay. Okay. So what did we do from the session starting today? We sang rhymes. Many of you got chance to join. Others will get chance tomorrow also to sing the rhyme. Okay. And then we revised. What did we do? We wrote cursive A and cursive capital alphabets A to H and small. Then we did the activity. What activity, Ivansai, we did today? Ivansai, can you answer me what activity we did today? What is that we learned?
Out, above, throw.
Okay. In.
On, throw.
Yes, in, out, on, above, and below. Yes. Okay, Shravan, did you like that activity? In, now, above, below? Yes, thank you, Shravan. Okay. Then we revised less than less than. Okay. So that's all we have for session today. Before we leave, I just want to remind tomorrow we have Colors Day. Okay. So our color, the theme is white color. So you can come in white. It need not be a plain white. Okay. If you don't have white also, whatever color you have, you wear and come. Okay. Please don't trouble your parents. So tomorrow is white theme color day. You can bring anything which is in white color. See this eraser, if I remove the cover, this will be in white color. So you can bring anything, any household thing, salt, sugar, milk, whatever you have in white. Okay. So it can be a thing or it can be a toy or any household thing, grocery, whatever. Okay. Whatever you have at home. Don't trouble your parents. Okay. So bring that, Saicharan. Listen to me first. Then only it will bring tomorrow. So bring that and then you can talk anything about that. Any one line or two line. If you have prepared well, you can talk whatever you want. So tomorrow it's going to be a full talk time. So what is the color, theme color? Arjun, what is the theme color tomorrow? What color dress you are going to wear tomorrow, Arjun? White color. Yes, Arjun is going to wear white color. Let me also try wearing white color. So tomorrow we'll meet for the colors day. Any questions, any doubts, children?
Yes, ma'am, I have one doubt. I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me, Sacharan.
Did we bring white things or we have to dress up like a white?
You have to dress up like white and bring a white thing also. Okay? Any other questions? Kaushik, come on, sit in your place, Kaushik. Why are you roaming around? Come sit in your place. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Sai Charan, I finished the session today before 3:10. Okay? See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sai Charan. Bye-bye.
Bye.